Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys one hand mode shortcut setting, how to use. Friends, you want to use one hand mode shortcut setting, so how to use one hand mode shortcut setting, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this tab interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting. After phone shortcut and accessibility setting friends, you can use as capture means 3 finger screenshot setting, smart display setting, quick action setting, easy touch setting. So friends, scroll and friends you want to on incoming call flash notification, you can on from here. Friends, click here one hand mode setting, and friends you can use your one hand mode shortcut setting. Mini screen friends you want to use, you can on mini screen and you can use it. So friends, right swipe here right side and you can use one hand mode shortcut setting. So like that friends, we can use one hand mode shortcut setting in iqoo mobile. And you want to adjust your one hand mode shortcut setting, and friends you want to use one hand mode shortcut setting from left side friends you want to use. So friends, click here and you can use one hand mode shortcut setting from left hand, and you want to use from right side, click here and you can set upside downside, you can set your one hand mode shortcut setting. So like that friends, we can use mini screen shortcut setting in iqoo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use, you can off your mini screen shortcut setting. After turn off friends, click here cross option, and friends now you cannot use your one hand mode setting in iqoo mobile. Again you want to use, click here on your one hand mode setting, swipe here and you can use one hand mode shortcut setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.